our little audience.
Hello everyone, I'm Vistra. This is
Malaika.
I've got little helpers today, so welcome to my healthy kitchen. For today we'll be making banana cake. We'll start first with sugar. It is 1 cup and a quarter sugar and half cup butter. Who want to mix the sugar and the butter?
Me.
Okay. Go to mix sugar and butter. Mariah?
The whole thing?
Yeah, everything here.
No, me.
And
No.
Natalie, do you want to make a puree of bananas?
Yes.
As many bananas as you use, it's always better for banana cake. I'll be using 3 bananas. Use the fork. Now mix.
We mix.
Yeah. This way. Use the fork. Yeah. And do it like this. Oh.
I'm gonna start with one at a time.
Okay.
We have to smooth them.
Yeah. And mix the butter. Well done.
And now we're gonna pour the banana in the bowl.
Yeah.
Let us have to mix it up. And then we will put the milk.
Yes. Milk. So we'll be using half cup milk.
It's gonna be soda, and then we will show you how we eat it with
Yeah.
messy mouth.
Yeah. Well done. Mix. We will add
Now it's getting easier. You know what it looks like?
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Vanilla.
Well done.
Mix.
Then 2 eggs.
Ay, escama ko pala.
Be careful.
The cup.
Yes. Then open it. Oh, well done. Well done. Yes. Perfect. Hello. We're back with the mess. Okay, well done. Mix it very, very nice.
And
Mix.
then we get to put the flour in.
We have to add
no,
1 teaspoon sugar.
I'm not sure.
1 teaspoon of salt. Oh!
We're gonna put a little bit of salt in here. Salt
Salt.
on the teaspoon.
Yeah.
Plop it in, and then you start mixing. If you don't know how to make a banana cake, you could just look at our videos.
Yeah.
You see that?
Ooh. Now we'll add teaspoon of soda.
Oh, yeah, I accidentally dipped some.
Too much. Okay.
Oopsie.
Mix again. And finally we'll add about 2.5 cups of flour. Up to 3 cups. Yeah.
You see, bowl. This time I'm gonna mix.
Yeah.
Oh.
And see you later when we are ready.